Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you how to fix Google Account Verify It's You problem quickly and easily. If you're stuck on this screen, it usually means Google needs to confirm your identity. First, make sure you are connected to a stable internet connection, then try signing in with the same Google account that was previously used on the device. If you remember your password, enter it correctly and follow the on-screen steps. If it still doesn't work, tap on Try Another Way and choose options like Recovery Email or Phone Number to verify your identity. You can also go to Google Account Recovery page on another device and complete the verification there. After that, wait a few minutes and try signing in again. If you recently changed your password, give it some time before retrying. Finally, restart your device and sign in again, and the Verify It's You problem should be resolved successfully now. Subscribe the channel for more videos.